Hello everyone, let's solve this problem. 2 over 5 into bracket n plus 2 into bracket minus 6 is equals to 0. So the first thing that you're going to do, we are going to open the bracket. So we're going to say 2 over 5 multiplied by the number inside the bracket. So we shall have 2 over 5 n, then from there we shall have plus, then 2 over 5 multiplied by 2, we shall have 4 over 5 minus 6 is equals to 0. So the next step that you're going to do, we are going to have 2 over 5 n, then from there we shall say plus 4 over 5 is equals to, so this minus 6 shall cross the equal sign, so we shall have plus 6. So the next step is now to bring this 4 over 5 to this other side. So we shall have 2 over 5 n is equals to, now we shall have 6, subtract from 4 over 5 because it was a positive. When it comes, it crosses the equal sign. So here we shall now have 6 over 1. So I want us to work out this fraction first. So the LCM here is 5, so we shall have 5. Then from there 1 goes into 5. 5 times 6 is 30, so we shall have our 30 there. Subtract from 5 goes into 5 once, and 1 times 4 is 4. So 30 subtract from 4, yes, so we shall have 30 minus 4 over 5 is equals to 2 over 5 n. Now, so our next one, we shall now have 2 over 5 n is equals to 30 minus 4, that is 26 out of 5. Then now from there, we are now going to say, we are going to multiply both sides by 2 over 5 so as to remain with m. So we shall have the reciprocal of 5 over 2, that is multiplied by 5 over 2, here multiplied by 5 out of 2. So when we cancel everything here, we shall have n. So n is equals to 5 here once, 5 here once, 2 here once, 26 is 13. So our n is equals to 13, and the answer is 13.